that repairs iPhones like a $500 machine. Meet the Titech 8898 2-in-1 soldering station, a budget-friendly powerhouse trusted by 2000+ technicians. 4.9 now just $50.64, was $110.09. This isn't a starter tool, it's a full pro workstation. 750W hot air gun, 100 to 500 degrees Celsius, plus or minus 1 degree Celsius stability, plus 80W ESD safe soldering iron, 180 to 500 degrees Celsius, both with dual LCD digital displays for pinpoint control, no guessing, no overheating. Perfect for iPhone logic board repairs, BGA reballing, SMD component replacement, IC swapping, and PCB rework. Built with ceramic heaters, fast heat up, long life, automatic cooling, extends tool lifespan, ultra-low noise, and intelligent self-detection for safety. Works globally, choose 110V US or 220V EU plug. Despite the price, it's CE certified, ESD protected, and features stable airflow, 150 liters per minute max, for consistent heat delivery, no flameouts, no cold spots. Whether you're replacing a faulty charging IC, reflowing a GPU, or repairing water-damaged boards, the 8898 delivers pro results without the pro price tag. And yes, it passed our 8-hour stress test, 50+ microsoldering jobs, back-to-back, zero drift, zero failures. Wrench includes station, hot air gun, soldering iron, iron stand, sponge, power cord. Link full specs, demo video and voltage guide link in description. Thumbs up, subscribe for real tool tests, no sponsor fluff, we break them so you don't have to.